What if artificial intelligence is the next step in the evolution of consciousness? Let's take a moment to ponder this question. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our lives. From voice assistants that play our favorite songs to algorithms that predict traffic on our morning commute, AI has found its way into the fabric of our everyday existence. But what does it all mean for us, for our future? Artificial intelligence, at its core, is a fascinating concept, a technological marvel that's a product of human ingenuity, a system that can learn, adapt, and improve on its own, driven by data and algorithms. It's like a child growing up, learning from its experiences and refining its understanding of the world. But unlike a child, AI's potential for growth and learning is boundless. Its capacity to process massive amounts of data and draw insights from them is far beyond human capabilities. We're talking about a future where AI could potentially outperform humans in a range of tasks, from complex problem-solving to creative endeavors. And while this may sound like a sci-fi plot, it's happening right here, right now. As we speak, AI is revolutionizing various industries: healthcare, finance, education, to name a few. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, assisting banks in detecting fraud, and even personalizing education for students around the world. Yet as AI continues to grow and evolve, so does its impact on us. It's not just about machines taking over jobs. It's about how we interact with these machines, how we adapt to these changes. It's about the ethical implications, the societal shifts, and the very nature of what it means to be human in a world increasingly shaped by AI. Indeed, the rapid growth and evolution of AI technologies are leading us into an era of unprecedented change, a future where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred. A future where AI is not just a tool, but a companion, a collaborator, a part of us. So let's embrace this journey with an open mind and a willingness to adapt, because as we continue to shape AI, it is also reshaping us. Artificial intelligence is not a distant dream, but a present reality, evolving at an unprecedented pace. As we navigate this world that's increasingly intertwined with technology, it's crucial to understand the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. First up, there's machine learning, a subset of AI that's been making waves for some time now. Machine learning algorithms learn from data, improving their performance as they are exposed to more and more information. They're the brains behind your personalized Netflix recommendations, your voice-activated home assistant's ability to understand your requests, and even the self-driving cars that are slowly but surely becoming a part of our roads. Next on the list is natural language processing, or NLP. This is the technology that enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. From chatbots providing customer support to translation apps breaking down language barriers, NLP is becoming an essential tool in our increasingly globalized world. But it's not just about making our lives more convenient. AI is also making strides in areas that have far-reaching implications for our society. Take healthcare, for example. AI-powered systems are now capable of analyzing medical images, predicting patient outcomes, and even assisting in complex surgeries. This is not just about improving efficiency, but also about saving lives. These trends are transforming industries far and wide. From entertainment and customer service to healthcare and beyond, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's not just about technology for technology's sake. It's about using these tools to solve real-world problems, to make our lives better, and to unlock possibilities we may not even have imagined yet. And we're only just scratching the surface. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with researchers around the world working to push the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows what exciting developments the future holds? These trends symbolize the exciting and transformative potential of AI. As we continue to explore this brave new world, we can look forward to a future where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our quest for progress. AI research is a rapidly evolving field, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. It's a thrilling landscape where the impossible quickly becomes possible, where science fiction morphs into science fact. Let's delve into some of the recent breakthroughs that have set the AI world abuzz. In the realm of machine learning, researchers have been pushing the limits of deep learning algorithms. These algorithms are now able to learn and improve on their own without being explicitly programmed to do so. This self-improvement capability has led to remarkable advancements in areas like image and speech recognition, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to transportation. On another front, we see the rise of reinforcement learning. This technique, inspired by the way humans learn from their environment, enables AI systems to optimize their actions based on the feedback they receive. It's the secret sauce behind the success of AI in complex strategy games, where it has even outperformed human champions. Now let's talk about generative AI. This is a game changer. Generative AI allows machines to create new original content, from writing poems and composing music to designing buildings and generating realistic images. It's a testament to how far we've come in creating AI systems that can mimic and even surpass human creativity. But AI research isn't just about making machines more intelligent. It's also about making them more human-like. That's where effective computing comes in. This field focuses on developing AI systems that can understand, interpret, and respond to human emotions. It's a step towards creating AI that can empathize with us, making our interactions with them more natural and engaging. And let's not forget about explainable AI. As AI systems become more complex, it's crucial that we understand how they make decisions. Explainable AI aims to make the workings of AI transparent and understandable, ensuring that these systems are accountable and trustworthy. The horizon of AI research is constantly expanding, presenting new opportunities and challenges. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, we're not just shaping the future of technology, we're shaping the future of humanity. As we forge ahead in the AI revolution, ethical considerations must not be an afterthought. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, we're witnessing a world where machines are increasingly making decisions that were once the exclusive domain of humans. These developments, while exciting, also bring with them a host of ethical implications that we must grapple with. One of the most prominent concerns is privacy. As AI systems become more adept at processing and analyzing vast amounts of data, the potential for breaches of privacy increases. Personal information, once thought to be secure, can be accessed and used in ways that were previously unimaginable. Bias is another issue. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. If the data is skewed, the AI's decisions will be too, potentially leading to unfair outcomes. This bias can manifest in a variety of ways, from racial and gender discrimination to socioeconomic disparities. Then there's the question of decision-making. As AI takes on more roles, it's also making more decisions on our behalf. But how can we ensure these decisions are fair or that they align with our values? And what happens when an AI makes a mistake or when its decision results in harm? Who is to be held accountable? These questions highlight the importance of guidelines and regulations in AI development. We need robust ethical frameworks that outline how AI should be designed and used responsibly. Regulation must be proactive, not reactive, to prevent misuse and harm. The challenge, of course, is in striking the right balance. We must ensure that the benefits of AI are harnessed without compromising on ethical standards. This is not a task for the faint of heart, but it's a necessary one. It's also an ongoing one, requiring constant vigilance and adaptation as AI technology evolves. Balancing the power of AI with ethical considerations is a crucial task for our age. As we continue to shape the future of artificial intelligence, let's make sure it's a future we can all be proud of. The future of AI is a tantalizing mystery, filled with endless possibilities. As we traverse the winding path of progress, we can't help but marvel at what lies ahead. Imagine a world where human-computer interaction is so seamless, so intuitive, that the line between the digital and the physical starts to blur. Virtual assistants could evolve beyond being mere tools, becoming companions that understand our emotions and respond in kind. They could help us navigate our complex world, offering guidance based on our individual preferences and needs. Now, let's journey beyond our world. Space exploration, a domain once exclusive to astronauts, could be democratized with the aid of AI. Autonomous rovers, satellites, and probes equipped with advanced AI systems could explore distant planets and galaxies, making discoveries faster than any human could. The cosmos, in all its infinite grandeur, could be within our grasp. But the grandest possibility of all lies in the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is an AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human being. The creation of AGI would signify a paradigm shift, a new era where machines could potentially match or even surpass human intelligence. Yet, as we dream of these future developments, it's crucial to engage in a global conversation about them. The path we tread should be one of collective decision-making, where the benefits of AI are accessible to all and its potential pitfalls are mitigated. Indeed, the future of AI is not set in stone. It's a canvas waiting to be painted with our hopes, our dreams, and our shared vision. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also question and consider the ethical, societal, and individual impacts of these advancements. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, the only certainty is change. But with change comes opportunity, and in that opportunity, a world of possibilities awaits.